guys, it's Michelle, and my daughter sent some candy from Japan. So it's Japanese candy, and I have never tried these before, so we're going to open them up. And she said this one was some sort of pastry dough type candy, and this is a popular one. And this is gum that's supposed to taste like Pepsi. So I'm excited to try these out. So we're going to cut them open real quick and see what we got inside. Alright, so I don't know what they're called, but here is the packaging. So let's try this, and this is what it looks like. It's very not sweet, kind of crunchy like a potato chip. And yeah, I can't tell what ingredients it has. But it tastes good for a little snack. So I wouldn't call it candy. But yeah, yummy. Okay. And you can hear it. Quite crunchy. So we're going to open this one. Now these should be more candy-like. So they're these little shapes. Those are good. They taste like, I don't know, have you guys ever tried rock candy? You know, that made out of sugar. It tastes like the crystal sugar rock candy. Those are really yummy. I like those. They're crunchy too. Okay, so let's open up the gum and try that. And that's what these look like. They're round. Sorry about the dog making noise. Chica, behave. Yeah, they kind of do taste like Pepsi. But it's weird. I think it's a little bit not as sweet as Pepsi, but it's not bad either. It's different though. So I want to thank my daughter for sending these to me. They're really interesting. I hope everybody's having a good day. And thank you for watching. And don't be afraid to try something new. Those are good. Bye, guys. I'm going to clean up my mess.